In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Microsoft Teams email address. If you're like many users, perhaps you've recently changed your email provider or want to update your address for better organization or privacy. Whatever your reason, changing your email in Microsoft Teams is straightforward but involves a few crucial steps to ensure everything updates correctly. So, let's dive in and get you set up with your new email address. To begin with, it's important to understand that Microsoft Teams email addresses are actually tied to your Microsoft account. This means that the process involves changing the email address associated with your entire Microsoft account, so be aware that this change will affect all Microsoft services you use. Before starting, make sure you have access to both your current and new email addresses, as you'll need to verify your identity during this process. First, head over to the Microsoft account login page using your preferred web browser. Sign in with the credentials that correspond to the current email associated with your account. Once logged in, you'll land on your Microsoft account dashboard. Here, look for the Your Info section, which you can usually find at the top of the page. In the Your Info section, look for the option that allows you to manage your email addresses, often referred to as email accounts or account aliases. Click on this option. You will see a list of email addresses currently associated with your account as aliases. An alias is essentially an additional email you can use to sign in to your Microsoft account, ensuring flexibility and ease in managing your digital presence. To add your new email, locate and click the option for adding a new alias. You'll be prompted to enter your desired email address. If you're using a new email domain, ensure it's typed correctly to avoid any snags later on. After entering the new email, click Add Alias. Next, it's time to verify your new email address. Microsoft will send a verification email to the new address you've just added. Head over to your new email inbox, open the email from Microsoft, and follow the verification instructions provided. This usually involves clicking a link within the email to confirm ownership. Once verified, return to the list of aliases in your Microsoft account. Now, you'll see your new email listed alongside your current one. Here, you need to make your new email the primary alias. This step is essential because only the primary alias is displayed when using Microsoft services like Teams. Simply select the new email and click on Make Primary. Confirm your choice when prompted. Finally, don't forget to remove the old email address if you no longer wish to use it. Select your old email from the alias list and choose the option to remove it. Keep in mind that removing your old email will prevent you from using it to sign in, so make sure everything with the new email is functioning as expected before removing it. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Microsoft Teams email address. Next time you sign in to Teams or any other Microsoft service, use your new email address. As always, ensure you keep your account information safe and updated. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful.